The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it, St. John's Gospel tells us. This is true of all time, and especially true as we remember the events of Good Friday. Jesus died a cruel death on the cross, a slow and agonizing torture in total humiliation. It might have seemed to some that the light of his message would have been extinguished that day, but instead, it was the seedbed for his message of love and hope to the whole world. The victory of death over his life was not as it seemed. Christians know that Jesus' death on the cross was a victory over sin and death. Even more, his victory is for all time. His light overcoming the darkness of sin and despair in every age. He has made the impossible possible. Know the power of Jesus to save and to heal in your life. This is what Jesus wanted as he hung on the cross. Easter does not end with Good Friday. On Easter Day, we celebrate the coming of the light, a light which the powers of darkness, apparently victorious on Good Friday, cannot and will not extinguish. Jesus embodied this light, the pure love of God, in all that he said and did, and most completely on the cross. Even in the most terrible affliction, he did not stop loving. Christ rose again in glory on Easter Day, and his light continues to rise to scatter all our darkness. Despite many appearances to the contrary, this bright flame of love continues to shine in the darkness. And we know only too well those situations where darkness covers our lives. Our present struggles and the weight of world events all obscure our hope. But the hope of the risen Christ can transform our darkness to light. May you open your hearts and minds to the light of Christ this Easter, and may you know the transforming power of his love.